Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel AutoCAD Technology. I'm Ramesh Pradhan. Today I will show you how to design engineering drawing in AutoCAD software. Engineering design in orthographic view. So, today I will show you one of the design in AutoCAD with an isometric view. I will design Part-7 drawing in this video tutorial. So, let's get started. First of all, you take a line command. Okay. Then they specify 1 point. Then the side length put 86 mm. Then enter. So follow my step. 12 one height. Enter. Enter. Again enter. L 12 enter, again enter. Now L, line draw from the midpoint of this line. So midpoint this, vertically drawn 56 mm height. Then okay. So 48 divided by 2, 24. Okay. L for one side 24 mm and line another side 24 mm. Then join here, then enter. Again join here, then enter. Okay. Now delete this line, then J for join. Okay, join. Okay. Now this region is to be extrude along the horizontal. So take a extrude command, extrude here and click the region, then enter. Okay, horizontal distance put here. The horizontal distance have a 34 mm. Then enter. Okay. L 15 mm 8 here. Okay. Then horizontal 18 mm. Here it is 8 mm. Then enter. So join this line, J for join. Okay, this line is joined. Now L 15 mm 8 mm 18 mm then 8 mm, then enter. Okay, this line also join with the join command for J, enter. So this region is press pull in the downward direction. So press pull. This region is to be press pull. Then also this region is to be press pull. Okay. Now I will draw outside portion of here and here. So for that, L command, L 28 mm 18 mm, so 28, then close it, enter, join here. Okay, this portion will be extrude. For extrude and click the region, enter. So the length of this portion 76 mm. This object is to move here, move from the midpoint and put here, move down Move down from the input person. Again, move this object from the downward direction. So move, enter move, downward 4 mm. Now rotation view, 3D object. Southeast isometric step. Front view, right side view, back side view, left side view, and top view. This is to be top view. Now finally, engineering drawing number 7 is to be complete.